sponsored by Sri Balaji English Medium School, Shripuram Junction. Best education and best ranking.
Welcome to all of you to an extension of. Now, next part of the same lesson of 10th standard. Now, we can start with the construction of tangents on the circumference of the circle. So, all of you know them. It is what is tangent, and all this you can understand in the previous classes or previous. Now, you can construct a tangent. Tangent on the circle. On the circle. Now all of you used to take measurements. According to the measurements, you can construct the tangent. For example, draw a circle of radius 5 cm and construct a tangent on the circumference of the circle. Now, this is a problem is construct a tangent on the circumference of the circle. So, you have taken radius is equal to 5 cm. So, all of you take a divider of radius measurements. According to the measurements, you can take 5 cm. Then mark a point on the board. It is a one plane paper. Then you can take a point. Then you can construct the circle. Easily you are practicing more and more, then you can this is a circle. Now with mark, so radius is 5 centimeters. Then you can mark a point anywhere on the circumference. So, X student choosing the point here, another by choosing here, there, and anywhere on the circumference. Now, you can select the point here, P. P is the point. Then after that, you can mark one radius. OP is the radius. So, OP is equal to 5 centimeter. So, first you draw the line. O is the point and mark a circle on the radius is 5 cm. Next, making the point P. P is taken on the circumference of the circle. Then you can join OP. OP as the radius. Then almost all you can choose the same radius you can take on. That is P as the center. You can radius of 5 cm. Mark in one of the semicircle. All of you see very clearly. If P is what you are choosing the point is that point is taken, then you can mark a semicircle. So then the same arm should be marking one point, another one is this one, then marking another, next these two. This is the procedure of construction of the perpendicular. This is the procedure. So, all of you can mark it. Then after joining these 2 points by a straight line. So, this is T. Then PT is the tangent. Required tangent you can draw on the circumference of the circle. So, this is each problem carries 2 marks. One is first it is very simple is all of you take a divider of radius is 5 cm. Try circle C1. Next, marking the point P anywhere on the circumference of the circle. Then marking the point P. P is a point. Then join OP. Then OP as the radius. Then P is a center. Same radius is taken. Mark a semicircle. Half a semicircle. These two are same. This is the phenomenon can construct the perpendicular to the point. So PT is perpendicular to OP. So PT is the required tangent to the circle. This is 1. Now second example, all of you try. The second example. Second example. So draw a circle of radius is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Construct two tangents. Angle between the radius is equal to 40 degree. Angle between the radius is equal to 40 degree. Now first problem, any point is given. Second one, in between the radius is given 40 degree. So like that you can try to another problem. So now second one problem is radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Then angle between the radius is equal to 40 degree. Construct two tangents. So all of you take a radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Now marking the point here. Take a radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Mark 1. This is radius of circle 3 centimeter. Then you can mark any one of the radius. So I take a point. Condition is, the given condition is equal to angle between the radius is 40 degree. Marking 10, 20, 30, 40. You can angle between these 40. With the help of the protractor, then you can mark this. So this is B. This angle between this one 40 degree. We can measure very clearly one by one. So 10, 20, 30, 40 degree. All of you see, then you can see 10, 20, 30, 40 degree. So after testing, mark once again with help of the divider. So A as a center, take say same radius, that is 3 centimeter. Mark one arc like this. Now O is the one point, another one point is marking like this. So then this is the center. Like that B has the same center. So after this marking, joining once again. One. So these are the B, P and AQ. AQ and BQ are the tangent to draw a given point on the circumference of the circle, but condition in between the radius is equal to 40 degree. In between the radius, like that. These are the problems are there in your exercise. Now it is a condition. The tangent can be drawn on the circumference of the circle. One condition is any point you can fix. Second one, the given condition like the angle between the radius or angle between the tangent. There are the three types of that. So first you can construct on the circumference of the circle at any point on the circumference. Second condition, the radius, angle between the radius is given, then you can construct the other two problems. Now the same problems is continue on the exercise 10.3. 10.3. 10.3. I'll take one or two problems in the 10 point. Draw a circle of radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, and construct diameter on the circle. At the ends of the diameter to construct the two tangents on the circumference of the circle. So it is one problem is there. So in that problem is there, if the radius is the given 3.5 centimeter or diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. Now all of you know that we can draw a line AB is equal to 7 centimeter, or we can take 3.5 centimeter. So all of you take a radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, marking O as the point. So in this one, now this is radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then you can take a one diameter. Diameter any way you can measure them like this. Now all of you know that diameter divide the circle equally. Diameter divide the circle equally. Now you can construct a tangent at the point A as well as B. At the point A and B. Now here B is taken of same radius is equal to, you can draw one semicircle like this. So another one you can take. So after marking here one, then here. So here one mark. This is the phenomena can construct the tangent or perpendicular. This is so radius is equal to 3.5. Another problem is that draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter and construct a tangent of 8 centimeter. At the end of the chord, you can construct the tangent. So you can please note them. Radius of circle is 5 centimeter. And the length of the chord is 8 centimeter. At the end of the chord, you can construct the tangent. So another problem. If given chord and radius is also given, in that case you can construct the tangents also. First, your aim is to draw the radius of the circle is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw the radius of the circle is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is O. Then you can take a length of the chord is any one you can marking on the circumference of the circle. Anywhere the point. This point is chord A. Then after marking the A, you can take a radius is equal to 8 centimeter. Take a radius is equal to 8 centimeter. Then after A as a center, then you can mark on the circumference. So that is called B. That is called B. Then you can write in AB as a chord. AB as a Then after drawing the curve, then join any one of the side AO and BO. So this is AO and BO are the radius. So the point are taken as a B, then the radius should be same as the radius of the circle. 1. So this is already one of this one, then mark. So this is base, we can take like that. Same radius is there. We can take another problem. Other side of a point is training by the scale. Now this is name is given by any other like that. A, B and B. So this is the one problem in your text.
This class is sponsored by Sri Balaji English Medium School, Shripuram Junction. Best education and best ranking.